Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm excited to be working with Little Ondine to bring you some mermaid nail art, plus I'm going to show you swatches of their new mermaid collection. I'll also be doing a 10 winner giveaway at the end, so be sure to stick around for that. Application is super easy, just cleanse the nail to remove any dirt and oil, then apply one layer of their secret base and top coat. Once dry, apply 2 coats of polish. This one here is called Fiji. If you're new to Little Ondine, they are a water-based nail polish brand that can easily peel off. They are 5-free, so no toxic chemicals. They're also cruelty-free, fast-drying, and odor-free. Finish off with another layer of their secret base and top, and that's it. Then just peel off whenever you're ready for a change. So for the mermaid scale nail art, I'll be using Little Ondine's Back to Black to apply connecting half circle shapes onto the nail. For each row, you want to make sure each half circle comes from the middle of the previous half circle above to form the scale look. Now outline the entire nail with the black polish, which I think really brings it all together. Finally, apply the secret base and top coat to help protect the design and give it a nice glossy finish. So now on to the rest of the swatches. Here we have Pinky Mermaid, which is a pretty rose gold shimmer. This one is a bit sheer, so I did 3 coats, but it would be amazing as a topper as well. Next up is a unique silvery shimmer called Mermaid Tears. This one would also be great as a topper. I did 3 coats for this as well. Now we have Cabernet Sauvignon, which is a deep wine color in 2 coats. Buttered Rum is a gorgeous burnt sienna shade. As you can see, this is a 1 coater, but I still applied 2 coats just for the heck of it. Blue Danube is a bold, rich blue in 2 coats. And finally we have the Pianist, which is a 1 coat charcoal gray, and again I still did 2 coats. So that does it for the swatches. I really hope you enjoyed seeing them. So why don't we get right into the giveaway? Entering is really easy. Just be sub to me and like this video, then head over to amazon.com/littleondine to pick out your favorite color and leave a comment here letting me know what it is. 10 winners will win an awesome secret surprise gift set. Winners will be randomly drawn and contacted by me on July 21st and also posted on my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram stories. Good luck, and I'll see you later. Bye!